Match number 46 getting rolling. Team Pronto grabbing those two gray totes from the landfill area on the blue side. Mash moves into the auto zone as well. And that'll be it for the action on this autonomous period. Drivers now takes the controls. Looks like only two robots on the field for the Red Alliance. 5295 gonna sit this one out. And it'll be two robots working strong for red. 3 for blue. Remember, this is not a head-to-head scenario, so no big deal there. But everybody gonna try to score as many points as they can. CPR 3663 back to their old tricks. They're stacking high. Two gray totes already, about to be 3. And we'll see how many stacks they can put up in the next 105 seconds. Team Pronto carrying two gray totes. They're going to look to score those in just a moment, while MASH holding on to two yellow totes for the Blue Alliance. And they've got a dance partner on the red side of the field, 4682. The Brave Bot's going to try to hook up with MASH and see if they can build that cooperation stack. CPR dropping a stack 6 high very, very quickly. That's 42 points on the board right there for blue, and they'll be back at it with plenty of time to try another stack, possibly even a third. Pronto hovering around with those two gray totes, not sure what they're waiting for. They'll try to drop that down and get those points on the board. One yellow tote finding its way to the step. Another has been upended. Remember, it does take 4 to score the cooperation points. So the 1 there and the 2 in 4682's hands will not be enough. They'll need some help somewhere along the line. 4654, the Mountaineers for red. Coming off a win last week in Mount Vernon, they've got two gray totes on the scoring platform and looking for more. MASH kind of nudging that upended yellow tote around. Looks like cooperatition's going to be a lost cause for this match, as a tote goes flying from the yellow side, or the red side, excuse me. CPR drops their second 6 high stack onto the scoring platform. Still 30 seconds almost left to play. They might be able to get a third stack up there, as we are about to hear the 20-second whistle. That sound, of course, means 20 seconds left in the match. Pronto puts 2 more totes down on the blue side of the field. Red having some scoring problems. 4682 now grabbing some gray totes. They'll see what they can do in the last 6 seconds. Soon to be 5, 4, and 3. 3 more gray totes from CPR. And that will wrap up match number 46. Lion's share of the scoring down the blue side of the field, mostly by CPR 3663. But everybody contributes, and we'll get the final scores in just a moment. One foul in that match, a G24 assessed to the Red Alliance, once again as a result of a failed cooperation attempt, as that yellow tote ends up on the blue side of the field. A 6-point penalty is assessed. That penalty will unfortunately leave the Red Alliance with a score of 0, but it is the Blue Alliance that is the story. 107 points. And CPR continues their meteoric rise up the standings after no showing their first 2 matches. They now find themselves in 6th place and in position to be an Alliance captain. Plenty more action to come. We'll see if they can hold on to that as the